Hey guys, I am Suzanne Vlogs. But you guys are my friends and my friends out there. It's all because you guys, you really are my my Shazam aka my Shazam out there. So this is a mod. So this one is Karin Rebel. Rebel. 6 times 6. But this is actually kind of cool. But first I'm gonna but first I'm gonna do this first. So this mod, he does have features. He has custom 6x6 frame, custom interior mod parts, custom headlights mod parts, 6-seater supercharged V8 engine, a lot of custom mod parts, library template plus libraries. Can really with nitro boost. Also with nitro boost. New extra sound. If you have the Rebel Coyote mod installed, this extra sound might not work. That's for the heads up, okay? So let's jump into this video. So this is the truck. The Karin 606 truck. There's bushes around over here. There's a building over there, over here. There's trees over here though. I'm pointing at. So there's blue sky, power lines around a bit. But look at that. Look at that. It has 6 wheels. Whoa. For each side. But the front bumper, that is really cool. Front bumper, I like the roof accessory. The truck rotates a little bit extra too. So the library is kind of cool too. Really cool. I like it. So let's continue. So this is the back of this truck. There's a nice play over here though, but look at that. That's the engine. That is actually the engine. It looks, oh my god, it looks sick. The V8 engine is actually kind of cool. I'm doing that for a dramatic effect. I like the circle bug deflector. I like that. That. That never gets old. But I love the color of the wheels though. I love the step. The step pipe here. Nice. Because this is actually the rear bumper is assault as well. So yeah, I think this is at the parking lot of at the casino. I think because I think it is. I think. Oh, okay. This one is a different location, but look at that. Different stuff. There's different way. There's a tournament. I am here. I'm here to destroy the real Savage King. I want to say that as a tournament way to mess around with my brother, my blood with related brothers. He's on Earth, so where's our king? I like that way. So yeah, yeah, it's just not this way. This all this I'm showing is an exterior. So those houses here, here, there's a street here, there. So let's continue though. This was the this actually is kind of awesome. Look at this library. The bumper looks cool. This is like the wheels of this one is actually the same as this one, but this one is actually ice white kind of one of the wheels. Because this is like, I think, like a wall shock kind of a library. So this is actually it is a first one. My first one is at a different location. Hill, main view as well. Trees, bushes around, all around though. So let's continue though. This one is a different library. I don't know what this is. I think it's a camping kind of one, I think. But this is at this church. Next to Nickelback's house. Next to it though. But there's human view here. Trees around as well. Fences. White fences. So, yeah, I don't know if that's what. Oh yeah, there's the SRs, I think. That's kind of cool. The wheels is nice. The wheel color. But the color of the truck is actually kind of cool because there's a little. Oh yeah, that's the hiking accessories. So that's actually it. So let's continue. Yeah, see that at the front bumper was really cool. That's a gas tank. Just because we feel the gas for the truck. So there's human view, trees around. So yeah, that's that way. So the step pipe as well too though. That's nice. Wait, that's the front bumper. That's the grill. That's the rear bumper. Is. But over here, this show of the rear bumper. So this one is a rear bumper here. So yeah, that's actually it. Okay guys, if you like and love this video, just give me the 37 thumbs up on this video and make sure you put the comments in the comment section below on this video as well. So make sure you click that subscribe button. Make sure you subscribe all the way, because if you do that, you're actually wishing me my goal, aka my achievement up to 3,000 subs, plus more up to 40,000, up to 10 million as well as subscribers. Guys, please make sure you do that, guys, and please make it happen. Okay, because I love to see them more, but you guys listen to the numbers, because hi and I, that's who I love to see them more. Okay? So make sure you do that. Then make sure you select the notification bell, select all, Click on, make sure subscribe, make sure subscribe on the both sides. That means for you guys, but stay tuned for more awesome animation, fun, creative videos for you guys to sure to watch. Okay, guys? Thanks for watching, guys. But I'm Tristan Vlogs. I'm gonna see you guys in the next video. But I'm Tristan Vlogs. Peace out.